Oh my God!
Stop that fighting! I just want to let you know my mouth is on fire right now.
Let's show them.
Look how red my gum is. Alright, it's not that red anymore.
It's hot. It's called, what is it called? Let's find it.
Dentine fire.
I'm gonna be the new spokesperson.
Fire!
It's raining out.
You know, the only warm thing about my body is my mouth right now because it's gum. Everything
I
else
wish
is
we
cold.
could make a blanket out of dentine. We just had lunch at my job.
At least I got my grandma's shawl on to keep me warm.
Look at us. Anyways, we just wanted to make
Free cigarettes.
free cigarettes. We just want to make a new video.
We haven't done one in a long time.
But we're still alive.
Yep. Alive and well.
And passion's in 13 days. Ah! Anyways.
We are looking for some shelter, maybe under a bridge. Randy.
Yeah, where's our car?
This way.
Okay. Well, we'll make another video later.
Alright, guys. Peace out, Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts.
Bye.